back to the channel. So today's video is going to be about lip care. Your lips are the most important, well, it should be the most important part of your skincare regime. They are very sensitive. Obviously the skin is a lot softer than the rest of the face, the rest of the skin on the face rather. So I'll just share a few tips and tricks that most of you probably already know, but so I'm just gonna probably just be repeating myself. But during the winter times, um, it's really important to take care of your lips as you do for the rest of your skin. Why I wanted to make this video was because I had a lip sore right around the corner of the lip, and I tried a few things for a couple of days. It just wasn't working. So I just realized, I'll show you what it is. Mine is really bashed up and beaten, but this is Borolin. I'll put a little image somewhere on the screen so you can get a better view of this. This is what is it called? Antiseptic Ayurvedic cream, Borolin. ये सब जगह मिलती है, dude, India में. Even in Canada, I know you get this at the Indian stores, and super cheap. And it worked. It actually did work. I put this 2 nights in a row, and I put it on my lips at night. It's very thick, so बहुत अजीब सा लगता लगा हुआ. It's very sticky also. And I put it on my cold sore and the entire my lip area. In the morning I woke up to dard kam tha, like you know when you get a cold sore, so it's very stretchy and it's painful. And it worked. I tried again the next day, and ugly दिन मैं उठी तो फिर मेरा cold sore was 90% gone. Now can you imagine? मैं बहुत ध्यान रखती हूँ अपने skin का and of my lips, and this actually did wonders for me. So I wanted to share this with you guys, that this Borolin antiseptic cream actually does wonders for those who were facing soreness, like you get those sores lips के पास, especially winters में हो जाता है. So this really does work. Alright, some of the other things I wanted to mention here is always scrub your lips. Not always, at least twice a week you should do it. I use this lip scrub, what is it, from Blissant, this one right here, or any lip scrub. You can even do a homemade lip scrub. You can check it out on Google, homemade lip scrubs. बहुत सारे options मिल जाएंगे. Try that. And the other thing, if you don't have the time to, you know, एक extra step करना to scrub your lips, you can even use, I use this Saint Ives scrub with coconut and coffee. It smells amazing, by the way. I when I'm washing my face or scrubbing in the bath, I scrub my lips with this also. This does actually work. So scrubbing your lips is really important because आपके dead skins, it removes the dead skins off your lips, and it leaves your skins really, it leaves your lips really nice and soft. Right after you have scrubbed your lips, make sure to apply a balm on your lips. Just say, for example, give you an example. In the morning, if I washed my face, I've scrubbed my lips, I'm going to put a lip balm on it right after I come out of my shower. और उसके बाद अगर I have to wear a lipstick, for example, मेरे को कहीं जाना है, I'll dab my lip balm off with a tissue paper and apply my lipstick. तो वो हल्का हल्का सा lip balm रह जाता है, like a little residue of the lip balm on your lips. That will keep your lips soft during the lips soft throughout the day. Or if you're not even wearing a lipstick throughout the day, which most women don't prefer to do in the winter days, then make sure you keep your lips hydrated throughout the days. There are n number of balms available out in the market. Alright, these are some of the ones that I keep in my handbag. Nivea, can you see it? This is also Nivea lip balm. Or these Palmer's cocoa butter lip balms. I'll show you these ones also. These ones, just, there are endless options available in the market. Or even just a general Vaseline, जो normal clear Vaseline jelly आता है, you can even use that, but it's too sticky to use during the day. One of the last things I like to mention here before I go is always wear a lip mask before you go to bed at night. या तो आप Borolin use करो at night before you go to bed. It's really thick. Or I love these Lineage or Lineage. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciation here. This is really good. This is actually a sleeping mask. It's really soft, it smells good. It's a little on the pricey side though. Or you can use your general that jelly Vaseline that you get in a little container or in the big tub. But do use it. It's really very important, especially during the winters. मैं तो सारा साल use करती हूँ, but winters are really really important because your lips tend to get really dry and cracky. And you know, when you apply lipstick, if your dry lips are dry and cracky, तो वो अजीब से लगता है. When you फटे हुए lips, you get to see the lines. It's not smooth. The lipstick application isn't smooth. So it's super important to take care of your lips. And of course, stay hydrated. Drink your fluids. Avoid drinking ज़्यादा chai, coffee या alcohol. Avoid करो. That obviously dries you out. It gets you dehydrated. And yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again very soon. Bye. Yeah.